This IOX installation video is designed to be used when attempting an installation in a vehicle, used in combination with the Geotab Go device and a certified IOX NFC harness. Find an optimal location for install where GPS and cell connectivity are available. The IOX NFC reader integrates near-field communication, or NFC, with the Geotab Go device to help identify which drivers are operating vehicles in a fleet at any given time. Users can utilize My Geotab to create rules, reports, and exceptions based on individual drivers or vehicles. Start with the Geotab Go device unplugged from the vehicle. Remove the IOX expansion port cover on your Go device. Plug in the 90-degree USB connector of the IOX Go device. Note, the USB connector can only be inserted in one orientation, as shown here. Secure the USB connector using a zip tie. Place the zip tie around the Go device and the harness. Ensure that the zip tie lays in the grooved space, both on the Go device and on the head of the harness. Be sure that the zip tie fits snugged around both ports, while being careful not to over-tighten it, thereby possibly damaging the USB connector. Once in place, use a cutter to cut the surplus end from the zip tie. Locate an appropriate spot to mount the NFC reader within safe reach of the driver and where it will not interfere with safe operation of the vehicle. Keep the routing of the IOX wiring in mind when choosing a location for the reader. When using tape, ensure the mounting surface is thoroughly clean and dry, and at least 65 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 degrees Celsius. Once the surface is clean, remove the backing of the tape and carefully apply to the surface. Hold firmly in place for 60 seconds to allow proper bonding to occur. Peel the other end of the backing from the tape. Then, take the provided mounting bracket and place it over the tape with the bracket clips facing forward, as shown here. Hold firmly in place for 60 seconds to allow proper bonding to occur. Note, if you choose to secure the bracket with screws, use the mounting bracket screws provided with either a screwdriver or a screw gun. Next, snap the IOX NFC reader into place on the bracket. Ensure any loose cabling is tucked and secure in a safe way. Tag verification. To test the NFC reader installation, touch a valid NFC tag to the reader. The green LED on the reader will flash twice when the tag is read. Locate the diagnostic port of the vehicle under the dashboard and plug in the Go device. You will hear 6 beeps and all LEDs will flash. Start the vehicle immediately. The IOX will enter self-learn mode and your Go device will enter debug mode. You'll now see a screen displaying the current status of the device. If the device is communicating correctly, you will see green lettering on the last valid GPS record. If the text appears red, the device is unable to communicate and you must verify the installation. Next, secure the Go device by using a zip tie around the diagnostic port and the Go device. Be sure that the zip tie is tightened securely and fits snug around both parts. Once in place, use a cutter to cut the surplus end from the zip tie. Check to ensure that the device is now secure.